Cisco.com. What is a data center? At its simplest, a data center is a physical facility that organizations use to house their critical applications and data. The data center's design is based on a network of computing and storage resources that enable the delivery of shared applications and data. The key components of data center design include routers, switches, firewalls, storage systems, servers, and application delivery controllers. What defines a modern data center? Modern data centers are very different than they were just a short time ago. Infrastructure has shifted from a traditional on-premises physical servers to virtual networks that support applications and workloads across pools of physical infrastructure and into a multi-cloud environment. In this era, data exists and is connected across multiple data centers, the edge, the public and private clouds. The data center must be able to communicate across these multiple sites, both on-premises and in the cloud. Even the public cloud is a collection of data centers. When applications are hosted in the cloud, they are using data center resources from the cloud provider. Why are data centers important to business? In the world of enterprise IT, data centers are designed to support business applications and activities that include email and file sharing, productivity applications, customer relationship management, CRM, enterprise resource planning, ERP, and databases, big data, artificial intelligence, and machine learning, virtual desktops, communications and collaboration services. What are the core components of data center? Data center design includes routers, switches, firewalls, storage systems, servers, and application delivery controllers. Because these components store and manage business-critical data and applications, data center security is critical in data center design. Together, they provide network infrastructure. This connects servers, physical and virtualized, data center services, storage, and external connectivity to end-user locations. Storage infrastructure. Data is a fuel of modern data center. Storage systems are used to hold this valuable commodity. Computing resources. Applications are the engines of data center. These servers provide processing, memory, local storage, and network connectivity that drive applications. How do data centers operate? Data center services are typically deployed, protect the performance and integrity of the core data center components. Network security appliances. This includes a firewall and intrusion protection to safeguard the data center. Application delivery assurance. To maintain application performance, these mechanisms provide applications resiliency and availability via automatic failover and load balancing. What is in data center facility? Data center components require significant infrastructure to support the center's hardware and software. These include power subsystems, uninterruptible power supplies, ventilation, cooling systems, fire suppression, backup generators, and connections to external networks. What are the standards for data center infrastructure? Types of data centers. Many types of data centers and service models are available. Their classification depends on whether they are owned by one or many organizations, how they fit into the topology of other data centers, what technologies they use for computing and storage, and even their energy efficiency. There are four main types of data centers. Enterprise data centers. These are built, owned, and operated by companies and are optimized for their end users. Most often they are housed on a corporate campus. Managed service data center. These data centers are managed by a third party on behalf of company. The company leases the equipment and infrastructure instead of buying it. Colocation data centers. In colocation data centers, a company rents space within the data center owned by others and located off company premises. The colocation data center hosts the infrastructure, building, cooling, bandwidth, security, etc., while the company provides and manages the components, including servers, storage, and firewalls. Cloud data centers. In this off-premises from a form of data center, data and applications are hosted by a cloud service provider, such as Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, or IBM Cloud, or other public cloud provider. Infrastructure evolution. From mainframes to cloud applications, computing infrastructure has experienced three microwaves of evolution over the last 65 years. The first wave saw the shift from proprietary mainframes to x86-based servers based on premises and managed by internal IT teams. A second wave saw widespread virtualization of the infrastructure that supported applications. This allowed for improved use of resources and mobility of workloads across pools and physical infrastructure. The third wave finds us in the present, where we are seeing the move to cloud, hybrid cloud, and cloud native. The latter describes applications born in the cloud. Distributed network of applications. This evolution has given rise to distributed computing. This is where data and applications are distributed among disparate systems, connected and integrated by network services and interoperability standards to function as a single environment. It has meant the term data center is now used to refer to the department that has responsibility for these systems, irrespective of where they are located. Organizations can choose to build and maintain their own hybrid cloud data centers, lease space within colocation facilities, consume shared compute and storage services, or use public cloud-based services. The net effect is that applications today no longer reside in just one place. They operate on multiple public and private clouds, managed offerings, and traditional environments. In this multi-cloud era, the data center has become fast and complex, geared to drive the ultimate user experience. Chosun-based U.S. venture plans a 50 trillion won investment for AI data center in South Korea. Brian Koo, the son of the late Koo Cha-hong, the first chairman of LS Group, has announced that his co-founded company will construct the world's largest artificial intelligence data center in South Jeolla province. Koo is the grandson of Koo Tae-hee, the honorary chairman of LS Cable and System, and the younger brother of Koo In-hwe, the founder of LG Group. The American venture company Stock Farm Road posted a press release on its website on the 19th, stating that it plans to build a data center in South Jeolla province with a power capacity of 3 gigawatts by 2028. Power capacity refers to the maximum amount of electricity that the data center can be supplied. Operating a data center requires massive amounts of electricity, and a power capacity of 3 gigawatts means that 3 nuclear power plants, each with a capacity of 1 gigawatt, could be dedicated to this data center. If the plan goes ahead, it will be the largest in the world. However, South Jeolla province has stated that the data center construction plan has not been finalized. A provincial official noted investment amounts and locations have not been confirmed. The province is expected to announce a rough investment plan for the data center on the 27th of this month.